Excuse me? Can you give me 3 things you love about each other?
I don't know. How long do we have to think about this?
You've had a lifetime.
Not quite.
Okay, let me just give you a little history here. Actually, we were in school together, and we have just reunited 62 years later. So that is our love story, all right? And I love him for his kindness, his sweetness, and his understanding.
And she has a great, great heart.
And so how long have you folks known each other?
Since we were 14.
And so what would you say is the key to maintaining a loving, happy relationship with one another?
Respecting one another.
Respect. Excellent. And what were your names?
I'm Susan.
I'm Tony.
Susan and Tony, thank you so much for your time, and I wish you both the best.
Well, thank you very much, and it was very nice meeting you, and I wish you well in your endeavors.
Thank you.
Okay.